Do you believe vaccinated people should get preferential treatment over unvaccinated people as it relates to accessing government services?
All right. Do I believe unvaccinated people should receive a different treatment in regards to accessing anything at all? No. I don't believe because you're vaccinated you should receive preferential treatment. Why? Because even if you're vaccinated, you're still asked to wear a mask. So if we're all wearing a mask, we're all following the protocols, why should there be any preferential treatment across the board? So no.
No, they should not, because we're all equal. Even though most people don't believe in the vaccination, they should be able to get assist in any situation.
No, I don't think they should. Because if there's a case of a situation where there is an emergency, therefore you have to really treat such a case as being as it is, as an emergency. So therefore, my view is that there should be not a preferential treatment on that, in such an issue.
No. Because not sure you don't take it yet, but after a while you have to take it or you take it. So I just the same. You understand? Who take it? I just say, well, and some people don't get to do it yet. But after a while, I do it just like me. When I do it yet, I know I have to do it. But I just not reach to it yet.
I don't think it is right for you treat some people more than some because they do vaccine. People have a choice to make if they want to take it, yes or no. You understand me? So I don't think it is really right. All of us is human beings and we deserve to be treated right.
I don't think so. Reason being, even if you are vaccinated, you can still get a virus. Only through maybe it not have that great effect on you, but that's my opinion. I don't really say the difference in vaccinated and unvaccinated, but if it is possible that you have to do it, you have to do it. That's my opinion. In terms of me, I want to say I want to take it because I have a kidney problem. But the only way I would take it unless I'm leaving the country.